Hello, it is time for another Lunch with a Doc. I'm Dr. Gary Arthur right here in downtown Laguna Beach, soggy downtown Laguna Beach. You can see the rain's coming down. I kind of feel like a weather forecaster right there. Over here you can see the dense precipitation coming down, but Main Beach is still right there. I just wanted to touch base with you and thank all you in the community that came down to take part in our Community Appreciation Day. These are the favorite days of the year for me as a treating doctor because we just get to give it away and see people. For the first time, a lot of new people came in. Hats off to all you people that did come in and give donations and take part in our raffle. I mean, the people that put out the raffle prizes, Mo, I think you did a little promo for all those people. I mean, thank you, all of you that participated in being part of our day. A lot of people will be hearing about your businesses, so we appreciate that. We had over 87 people come in that actually signed in. We had a whole bunch of more people that came that didn't even sign in, but they got to eat some good food and get B12 shots and get IVs out of these beautiful IV chairs as they look at the Pacific Ocean. They get some IVs, and that's been fun. And we had a lot of people get massage work and physical therapy work and active release technique and use the DMS machine and get adjusted. Dr. Lisa, my favorite doctor on the planet, who's also my wife. Dr. Jordan, who's my second favorite doctor on the planet, Dr. Jordan Martin, and myself, we all treated people. And I mean, this is my 32 years in practice right now. And I will say that it still brings me such joy to see people get well, to see people want to get well, to know why they want to get well, and what their life looks like if they do get better, and realize what happens if they don't get better, because gravity never lets up on any of us, and things just have a tendency to get worse as time goes on as we age. A lot of people say, well, it's just aging. Well, it's aging, but it's also the effects of gravity as we age. If we're torqued from old injuries and things that healed up the wrong way, and now, like the Tin Man, our joints aren't moving very well. We got to get in there and oil the joints again. And oil can, oil can. You remember that from Wizard of Oz? That was the best Tin Man impersonation I got. So don't ask me for anything better. But a lot of times our bodies just we need to get some movement. I mean, if our bodies are moving, then there's a lot less pain, and we got to get our bodies moving. So it was just so much fun, and I want to thank you all. And look forward to another one. We usually have one every season. So this was our winter Community Appreciation Day. We'll have one in the spring, we'll have one in the summer, we'll have one in the fall. And it's fun to give it away. And to raise more awareness about the foundations that we support. I've been doing work raising money for School Power ever since I opened in 1987. And the first big fundraiser was for when we first opened this office here in 1991, and I got to present a check to Barbara Callard, who was the then principal of the high school when they were just doing the remodel. And so it was really a lot of fun. And then the Dominguez Roth Foundation, which is Dr. Marcelo Dominguez's nonprofit, which helps to supply health care for people that can't afford it. So that's been really neat to be associated with her. Rochelle Rodriguez, our family nurse practitioner, she's so awesome. I mean, she gave 87 B12 shots and 14 IVs, and we saw a whole bunch of new people, and a lot of people took advantage of our special offers. Fact is, if any of you watching still wanted to sign up for one of those special offers to take a look closer at your structural system, or your chemical system, your nutritional, energetic systems, even the mind-body stress, people that are feeling stressed. We still have some specials going on. We extended it since there was such a good response. So some of those things could still be done this week if you are still thinking about it, or if you want to call in, call 497-2553 if you want to take a look at what the specials are that we're still running. And we're still giving part of that money that we get from those to the foundations. So that's an update. It was a good time. I was so glad to see, we were all so glad to see so many of you here, and a lot of new faces, and a lot of people just deciding, hey, I want to feel better, and I know why. And so that's what we're here for, is to help come alongside people and show them the different paths that there are available for them to walk down to work on getting what they want with their life and their health, and letting go of pain. Some people, just want a little bit of temporary relief, and some people want that temporary relief, but then they want their pain to go away for good and actually fix and remodel their body. So whatever stage you're at, it's your agenda, it's not ours. We'll just show you what the different paths are available, and then you basically pick and choose what you want to do, and we'll help you get there as quickly and cost effectively as we can. So thanks for tuning in, and look forward to seeing you. I won't be here next week. I'm going to take a little time off and go to the desert and clean out my body a little bit. And so next week we will not be doing it, but the following week we will. All right. Thank you. Healthy ways to you. God bless.